Hey, it's Mike. Had a really nice surprise show up at the door the other day. Something I've been waiting 6 or 7 months for. It was back ordered for the longest time. Zero updates about it. And then it finally showed up. But if you're familiar with that brand, then you know what's here. And it's the seats for our Rambler. Now these are brand new seats. Super affordable. And hoping they're going to fit okay. We might need to make some bracketry, but that's what we're going to find out today. I'm going to get these opened up and see what type of brackets we have and what's going to fit in the car, and see where we need to go from there. Side cover, set that up there for now. Nicely boxed, looks like. Don't see any holes in it just yet. Nice little plastic boot. Stand, and looks like our brackets are down in the bottom here. The seats come with the set of sliders, which is good. We'll see what type of adaptation we need to make to fit the floor. Should be okay. I didn't have any seats with this car when I got it, so it made a lot of sense to go in this direction. So these seats are super affordable. They're just about, well, I paid about $500, and you know, you get a brand new set of seats, left and a right, for about what it costs for a just seat covers for original seats. So, you know, if I were to go looking for original seats, I'd have to pay for the seats and then most likely have to recover them. So I'd be looking at, you know, at least $1,000 at the end of the day, or more, you know. So these are a pretty good option. Yeah, we'll keep that bag stored in. And let's see if we can set this up so that we can look at the bottom without hurting ourselves. Okay, gotta be careful with that, huh? There. Yeah, not too bad. No headrest, so they're just a simple bucket seat. I think it'll have a good look in the car. So I get this flipped up and see how our brackets mount. Whoa, hey-o. Pretty easy peasy. Let's see, are these marked? Well, they don't have to be marked because this handle needs to go in front so you can reach it. You know, this guy connects here. Maybe I should go down. Plier and kind of cinch that down a little bit. Okay, so that's not it. It needs to go here. So there's two holes, need to go in the bottom one apparently. There we go. It's open there, it's open there. Okay, here's what I'm up to. Got a couple of pieces bolted to our sliders going across them, and inside the car got a couple of pieces bent going from the bolted to the front holes. Now this extra length on the back is pretty arbitrary. We're not going to use all of it. Most of it will be cut out, but you'll see how that works here pretty quickly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the seat on here and tack weld, get it in position, tack weld that front crossbar to our pieces here, get it unbolted, lop off the extra there that we don't need, and then I'll get a couple of pieces of our flat bar drilled, get them bolted to the floor. They'll just lay flat, and then when I bolt the front on, I'll mark where the crossbar is on there, and then I will take these pieces, give them a bend, so we got a little 90, and then we'll see about getting them tacked onto the back bar and how that might work out. So I'm gonna get this seat in here and we'll get to tacking. Okay, I got the front attached. Let's take a closer look here at the back of what I got going on. So, started by just drilling a couple of holes in the flat bar, set the seat back in, bolted the front, and then scored where it needed to bend up. And now we're back in, everything's bolted down. I think we're pretty good alignment everywhere we need to be. So I'm just gonna put a couple of tacks on those tabs and then weld it up solid. Then we'll have a front and rear back bracket. All right, good deal. Got a pretty nice looking seat here. You see this is a, of course, folds forward, nice access to the back. Pretty good range of motion there. It's in its backward position. I think we're looking pretty good. Pretty happy with this. Just need to replicate it on the other side. Pretty good seat, if I do say so. We can scoot up. We can scoot back. See you later.